So this is 𝗦𝗪𝗡 Wanderer. So we're currently here in Sur Boracay, a resort here in Station 1 of Boracay's White Beach. So let's take a room tour. Our room is room B2. Okay. So we booked a room for 3. This is our room. It has 2 beds, 1 single bed and 1 double bed. Okay. The room is very clean. It's very neat. Okay, it's quite spacious for 3. We have a vanity area here with huge mirror. This can also serve as a working area. Okay, so let's check out the cabinet. So here's the cabinet. Okay, with a safe deposit box. Okay, let's close this one. Okay, I love the design of the bed runner. Actually, it's very ethnic, very Filipino, along with the pillowcases here. Okay, and of course the room is air conditioned. Okay, there's also a service phone in here. And there's an LCD TV. I suppose this has cable channels. Okay, then there's a refrigerator with complimentary bottled water and tea. Now let's check out the toilet and bath. So here's the toilet and bath. Okay. Here's the toilet. Then there's a huge mirror here. Then there's the toiletries with Sur branding. Then here's the shower area. Okay. I suppose this has hot and cold shower. So toilet and shower area is separated by a glass partition. So overall, the room is very neat, it's very clean, and I love the Filipino touch on their bed runners and pillowcases. Okay, and by the way, I guess our room is near the beach, near the restaurant. Okay, so later we'll check the beachfront of Sur Boracay. So I'm giving you a huge discount if you want to stay here in Sur Boracay. Just book on my link in the description box below to get huge discount on your Sur Boracay room. Again, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗡 Wanderer. Thanks for watching.